Hey, good evening. Today is the one of the silent profit day. The first half, if you see, first half it was almost sideways only, and second half gave the trending breakout. Let us review the today's trade. So you can see here, this is the first 5-minute candle. First 5-minute candle closed near 23,108. Hence, we selected 23,100 and 23,100 P. So, if you see here, there is no, in the C side, this is the first candle, there is no breakout which is not supporting. Here, these all are green, and the accelerator indicator is also in the top, and all the things also here, the alligator and other things also in the within the candle. Hence, here there is no breakout. So, where it is giving the breakout, it is really giving the breakout in the C side. C side is, if you see, here it is getting supported around 9:30. This 9:30 candle, it is getting supported. Here it is getting supported because this is the awesome accelerator indicator, both are aligning. So here actually breakout already happened here. Here already breakout happened. So in the 9:30 candle itself, it's a breakout. 9:15 candle itself, the breakout happened around 9:25. But we have not taken the during breakout because this accelerator indicator is giving the red signal. So hence we have not taken the breakout during breakout. So here this area we took the trade around bottom of this candle. We took the trade. Okay, that is near about 84 we entered, and we put the stop loss near around 94. 10 point we put this thing, but this was a fake move which I took in the I just recorded in the this also. You can see here. You can see this screen. You can see this arrow mark. This all beautifully supporting, and here also breakout given, and this fractal already got breakout. Here also you can see previous fractal. You can see in the previous fractal here. Here you can see the previous. So you can see here previous day fractal also. Here it is breakdown. So hence we took the trade. So after entry, this is the candle which was supported. That candle also both accelerator indicator, awesome indicator, everything is red. But suddenly you can see here, suddenly got the reversal. If you would have not put the stop loss here, you would have lost more than 10 point. You can more than 10 point. That is why this I screen recorded. Good signal gave entry, but stop loss hit. This is for our future reference purpose. I just put the record. So here you can see here. So if you would have not exited here, it has went up to 121. You would have lost another 30 point, which is beyond our imagination. So hence we exited with 10 point loss. Here we exited. Here we exited with 10 point loss. $10 loss. Okay. Here we exited. Okay. Then afterwards, you see here there is no breakout. There is no breakout again. If you, which is supporting this area, it is getting supported. Sorry. This area, it is getting supported. This area, this can only again. What we did, we took the breakout during this breakout, this candle breakout. We took the trade. Here it is got supported, and if you see this, this one means stop loss. Stop loss we kept at this candle, and again there is a 2 candle are in the green. Hence we are not changing the stop loss. Again now this is a red candle. We are changing the stop loss. Again we change the stop loss to this area. So around 76 we entered and 71 we got stopped because of the trailing stop loss. So again we booked here loss plus 15 point, means again booked 5 point. Here again we booked 5 point. Then afterwards, if you see, this is the time when we booked the 5 point. There's a 10:30 time. 10:30 time, if you see here, 10:30 time, here also there is no support. Only thing support where we are getting a. So here there is a support. This area is this candle is getting support. Hence we took the trade below this breakout. Below this breakout we took the trade. So this is the trade we took the trade. So that trade was given the silent hour, this thing means here we entered. Then as per our this thing system, we supposed to change the stop loss next candle, whereas why I have not changed because this is indicators are means accelerator indicator, have some accelerator supporting, but this is also very small candle because 87, and if you are putting 82 something like that, 5 point itself we'll have to get out. So hence we waited up to this one. This stop loss we kept up to this area only. We kept the stop loss. We waited for that. So waited, and again we changed the stop loss. Once after this thing we changed the stop loss to here 79. Then we changed the stop loss to this one 69. Then we changed the stop loss to this one 60. Then we changed the stop loss to around 57. 57, around 58 we changed it, and this is the area 54 we got triggered, means here 54 we got triggered, means here we entered 87 and 54. So here we booked around 33 point. We booked around 33 point. Here we booked. Here one more thing I want to inform you. What you can do it whenever you are getting the entry. If it is a very close to this 15 EMA is very close, means within 10 to 15 point, means you can 15 EMA itself you can keep as a stop loss, because this is what we entered. We entered around 87. We put around 102 as a stop loss. Here we 102 as a stop loss, and we followed the 15 EMA. Based on the 15 EMA itself, we can to keep the stop loss. And whenever that PSAR is crossing the 15 EMA, then we can put PSAR as a stop loss. That is also one of the good lesson here. This area in future course, you can just instead of candle by candle also you can keep it. Even though if you are those who are having some this one means those who are taking the small quantity, they can follow the 15 EMA as a stop loss point. So whenever the candle first it will cross 5 EMA. Once it is crossing 5 EMA, then only that 15 EMA will going to touch. Normally almost all the candle will be within the means close to the 5 EMA only. And when it is crossing 5 EMA, that time definitely it will going to hit a 15 EMA. That is why we can keep the stop loss as a 15 EMA, so that we will be in the safer mode. Okay, that also maybe if it is 15 EMA is more than 20 points away from the entry point, then don't keep as a 15 EMA, because more than 20 point is not advisable. Once it is moving more than 20 point, there is a chance of getting reversal. That direction will going to get reversed. So better to keep within 15 point, within 15 to 20 point. So if it is the 15 EMA is within 15 to 20 point, it's better to follow 15 EMA. Then further we can see here up to the for entry exit purpose, the exit time, that is a 12:25. 12:25 if you see here 12:25, there is no means P side there is no entry. We are not seeing any type of entry. And here we are seeing one entry, but that entry for confirmation, we'll have to wait for 2 candles. So here we can, based on this one, here we would have taken the entry, this area. this candle only giving the support, this candle only giving the support, this candle when it is giving the support, we can put the stop loss trigger order below this one, means below this candle, means around 1 point below, around 98 we can put this thing, because this is a fractal. If it is fractal is getting breakout, then we can take that trade. So here if you see, so 98 we entered 98, but 15 EMA if you see, 15 EMA is 105. So I put near close to, means above the 15 EMA. That means here around 10 point we lost this area, we lost around 10 point in the area. Here we lost 10 point. Here we lost 10 points. Again, if you see the support where it is giving, here we are getting this side, the beautiful support we are getting this area. This is the candle we are getting the support. This is the candle we are getting the support. Again, what we did here, based on this fractal breakout only, we took the trade, because we are on the early entry, we are not taken the trade. We took the trade around 89. After taking the 89, I followed 15 EMA closely. I followed the 15 EMA. Once it is nearing, I exited this area, means 89 we entered and followed. First we followed the 15 EMA closely. We have followed the 15 EMA, and here finally we exited in this area. Means this is the candle we put, and we have 37 we exited. Means 89 means if you are following the 15 EMA, you can see here, because if you are following 15 EMA also, it's not a much big this thing, because we are entering 89. That when we are entering the 89, that time my stop loss will be around 100 only, means 11-12 point only it is there. Then whenever it is closing this one, here if you see 66, that time 66, if you see here, that time 60, when it is coming 66, that time my this thing stop loss was around and 92. Such type of time, we can put the close 66 plus 20, 76, 80, we can put it. If it is closer to that, we can put 15 EMA as a stop loss. And by the way, 89 minus 37, $52 point. Silent means here, this silent profit. You can see silent profit. Made 52 points. So overall, if you see here 52 point first we have made, then 10 point we lost, so 42 point, then C side only 42 point, here 42 point, and initially there is a fake out, then another 10 point, 32, and plus 5 point we booked, means 32 plus 5 point, 37 point. And the C side, if you see, C side initially no trade, then afterwards we booked 33 point, 33 plus 37, so that is a total point here, 33 plus 37, so 70 point silent profit. So if someone is entering for only 300 quantity, in the 300 into 70, you can see here 70 into 300, around easily they would have made 21,000 rupees. Easily they would have made 21,000 rupees, 300 point, so for 300 quantity. So for making the 300 quantity, what you require the capital? You required capital for the 300 quantity. So near about with the hedging, near about we required, so around 2.5 to 3 lakhs only we required. So for entering 300 quantity, so with the 3 lakh, if you are making 3 lakh, if you are making 21,000, what is the percentage you can see? So 3 lakh divided by 21,000, so is it near about 7%. Within a day, without any tension, you are making 7%. And if you are losing also, you might be losing the maximum of you might be losing around 30 to 40 point only, because maximum we are putting the stop loss 15 to 20 point. So if you are losing 2 trade also, you may be losing 40 point, and 1 trade you may be gaining 20 points. So ultimately you may be losing 20 point only. If you are losing 20 point also, you may be losing 1 or 2% of your profit, your capital. Maximum 1 to 2% only in your capital you will be losing by following the system. If you are continuously making the profit, then it's a fine. Means today 7%, some days 10% also possible. I'm telling you 2 to 3% is easily possible. Every day 2 to 3% is easily possible, and up to 8 to 10% you can able to make it. Means the overall 20 trading day, maybe 5 trading day you may get more than 10%. Another 5 trading day you may get between 5 to 10%. Another 5 trading day you may get between 2 to 3%. So another 5 trading day you may lose 3 to 5%, maximum 3 to 5%. So overall, if you see in the month, overall on an average 7 to 10% on an average, it is easily possible by following the fractal strategy. That is what my means today's communication from this chart. So 10% means yearly. If you see yearly, you can easily make 90 to 120%. Means in between 92 means somebody make 90%, somebody make 100%, somebody make 120%. With by following the 100% by following the fractal strategy, and stop loss should be kept 15 to 20%. Sorry, 15 to 20 point, not percentage, 15 to 20 point only stop loss will have to keep, and you will have to take the lot size per lot 1 lakh. 1 lot only will have to take it. For 1 lakh, we will have to take 1 lakh, one lot. If you are having the 10 lakh, you can take 10 lot. So don't take more than 10 lot for 10 lakh. So if you are having 20 lakh, you can take maximum 20 lot. So that too with the hedging you can take it. So it's a conservative trader. So for 2 lakh, they'll have to take one quantity. So if it is a 10 lakh, they'll have to take only 5 lot. They'll have to take 5 lot. With the conservative trader, risky trader only per lakh 1 lot they can able to take it with the proper hedging. Thank you for watching.